Hello everyone, I am David Ringstrom, a CPA in Atlanta, and welcome to Expediting Excel, Mastering Advanced Lookup Formulas. If you are not presently using lookup formulas in your spreadsheet, then there is much that you're doing the hard way in Excel, because that means you're having to physically go and point to the data wherever it resides in your spreadsheet whenever you need to reference it in a different location. And so lookup functions allow us to change that, where we create formulas where Excel goes and locates the data for us, or it gives us feedback that it couldn't find a match, and so we're able to put a formula at one place and copy down and look up lots of information very quickly, rather than having to go manually go point to the data one cell at a time. So that's going to be the focus of our time to go today, is various ways for us to get data from one place in a spreadsheet to another without having to physically point to it, rather giving Excel instructions on how to go find the data.